Hi guys, here we discuss about the similarities and differences of Sony X95J and Sony X90J. While our two Sony champs see equality match when it comes to features and smart functionality, there's some significant difference where it counts. Both the X90J and X95J are full array backlit LED sets for high average picture level and precious peak HDR highlights. They also share the same new cognitive processor XR processor designed to bring more human sensitivity. They also both choose XR Construct Booster technology. However, the X90J model warrants on XR Contrast Booster 5 rating, while the large X95J model doubles that the XR Contrast Booster 10. So expect more impact to HDR there. X95J also has a wider viewing angle country of X wide angle wise visibility, which is completely missing from the X90J. This offers the degree more latitude while it comes to seating arrangement. If you plan to view Skiron, there is no significant difference between the models, but a living room where people view from an angle image quality will be maintained better on the X95J for those at the edge. The larger X95J features more advanced version of acoustic multi-audio with two forward-facing speakers, two sound positioning tweets, and built-in subwoofer, all with independent amplification. Both the X90J and X95J are full-array backlit LED sets for high average picture level and precise peak HDR highlights. They also share the same new cognitive processor XR processor designed to bring a more human sensitivity. They also both use XR Construct Booster technology. However, X95J model warrants an XR Contrast Booster 5 rating, while the larger X95J model doubles that to XR Contrast Booster 10. X95J also has a wider viewing angle courtesy of X wide angle visibility. Smart platform streaming support is uniformly good, with Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney leading the service app charge. Also common to both is Chromecast built-in Siri support as well as Apple AirPlay. Only the X95J has a built-in microphone through for voice control. Both the X95J and X90J offer Bravia Core, Sony's own high quality movie streaming service. This promises new PPV and classic titles and takes advantage of pure stream technology to achieve UHD Blue ray like quality. The biggest point of difference is sound and vision. The X95J features a higher space XR contrast booster and audience friendly X wide angle technology. It also has a more potent sound system, but then it is only available in larger screen sizes. If you after a superior home cinema experience with the better contrast and superior sound, we rocking the X95J is the model to strive for. Hello everyone, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks.